Now let me show you how to use the machine. At first, we need to lift the pressure rollers and load the roll media onto the holders. Please note, the coating side is the printing side. We need to make it to face up. Now lock the media and feed the media into the printer. Pull the media to make it be flat and straight, but adjust the media's position. I think this is good. And now release the pressure rollers and rotate the media to confirm it has same tension both on left side and right side. Move the holders to the edge. Turn on the machine. The preheating platform will start heating. And machine will do the self-check. Machine is ready. Now we do cleaning. Clean nozzle check. Nozzle check is good. We can send images to print. The max image width is 300 mm and should be mirror printing. It will print color at first, then print the white on the top. Now turn on the shaker. Press the button to start heating. You can change the temperature. Suggest to set at 120 Celsius degree. And press this button, the duster will start work. And you can change its speed. Suggest to set at 20. Press this button. The roller in the powder box will start to work to shade the powder to the media. Now we wait the temperature raise to the set temperature. The shaker is ready. And once we have enough transfers, or we can just pull out some media. We can feed the media into the shaker through the heating tunnel. And tape it on the take-up rollers. Adjust the position of the roller or the shaker if you need to align the media. Then turn on the take-up roller. Now we can turn on the duster and the roller in the powder box. Of course, we can add some TPU powder onto the media before it shakes enough media. Once we have enough transfers and we have enough powder on the media, the sensor will detect the media and drives the take-up reel system to roll up the media. Please note, during the production process, some gases will be produced. We can use an air purifier to eliminate the gases. Adjust the suction to just clean up the gases but not taking away too much heat that makes the temperature drop. Now we get a final product and cut them into pieces. Prepare a heat press machine and set the temperature at 160 Celsius degree. Set the time at 15 seconds. Prepare a t-shirt. Press it for 5 seconds to make it more flat. Put the media onto the t-shirt, the printed side face down. And put the Teflon sheet on the top. The transfer is done. Now we wait it to cool down. Now it's cool.